You're looking at AMD. If there's
I'm
any
looking at AMD, Tesla. I don't know. I think Tesla's not just going to keep going down. I don't know.
if there's any tickers you want me to look at on level 2, just let me know.
I mean, did I miss my opportunity with AMD?
Let's see.
Or is it reversed and trending up? I don't know.
AMD $12, $17 ATR right now, but that doesn't really mean a whole lot considering I had like a $50 day though. I'd probably lower that ATR at this point. I'd say it probably has a good chance to get 330 again. 329. That's a big.
Yeah, I see. It does look more bearish, doesn't it?
Yeah. Market's selling back off.
Yeah, like there's a little 5-minute pullback or a bear flag, I guess. Right?
Just it looks kind of balanced. I mean, there's bigger orders down here at 330, 329 on AMD. But if you look at the nearby orders, there's still more to the downside, but there's some big ones like 2700, 1500, 4000 at 338. There's more meat on the bones to the downside, so it's hard to say. It's already down 3.5%.
Right.
And a lot of these, and a lot of times, it's hard to tell. I find with the order book's just like extra confirmation. Bookmap's just extra confirmation because a lot of orders come in just at the bid or ask, and you don't see them necessarily on the screen. You can look at, if you look at my book map at the right column, this is the session volume profile. So you can see all the orders that have come in, bought and sold, and you can see kind of where's the balance, where's the big volume. The big volume's at 335. So I would look at this where the peaks are. It's like a distribution pattern. And and again, everything is taken with a grain of salt. It's not all, it's not like confirmed, but I would say there's a magnet at this area. That's why I look at it. I look at a magnet at 335 until it's no longer a magnet.
Right. Yeah.
But
there until it changes.
Yeah. But that's where lots of volume's coming in this area, the 334, 335 area. But you can see more volume here, 337 areas, a lot of volume there. So there's a lot of volume at the dollar increments. The bigger volume's at 335. But look at this, you have a 347. That's the biggest volume yet, 347.
Whoa. What is the right side again?
But that's where everybody was selling. This is the session volume profile. So this is all the volume that came in for this session so far. And so you can look up here at 347. It had the most volume. You can see it's all red.
Mm-hmm.
So like 90 some percent was all selling. And of course, if you look at the chart, you can just see that huge red bar. And so then let's see. As it started getting down to the 338, 339 and below, you can start to see more green, more green. So more balanced buying and selling.
Right.
Down to 335. So now on the 5 minute, we're touching the VWAP. So if I was going to go short, I'd probably start thinking about maybe inching, dipping my toes into a short here, which I might.
Oh yeah. I might give it a shot. I mean,
I'm going to wait for this 338. Yeah, I knew I was going to get that 338 order. It was right there waiting. Let's see, this could be a VWAP rejection. We'll see. That's what they would call it, a VWAP rejection. But an order just disappeared. I think it's going to grab that 338 again. Maybe not. Could just be a hard rejection. And see, that's where the mass psychology comes into effect too, because there's probably lots of traders looking at this for a VWAP rejection, and then it sells off of that. But there's only so much influence that traders can, so much force that traders can influence the stock, before, the big guys start buying it back up. But I just can't imagine, like there being tons of buyers at this level after this run that AMD's had.
Yeah, I would be surprised too. I feel like it has to pull back for a bit. Yeah, but I guess it doesn't have to do anything.
Yeah, right. There's a big bounce off of that 328 level. It looks not too bad for a. I'm just going to dip my toe into a short here on. Oh, and then this huge order came in above my short.
I see.
As soon as I clicked that, but then it just disappeared.
Oh, nice.
Can drive you nuts sometimes. Drive me nuts sometimes. Now I'm just over trading because I've already made my daily profit target. But I'm just having fun trading with you, so I blame it on you.
Yeah. Well, if I take another trade, I'm over trading too because I've got 3 strikes and I'm out.
Oh, really? You're doing the 3 strike?
Yeah. It's only 10:15. I don't usually trade past like 11 anyway.
I know. I find it's just then it becomes an all-day thing because it just moves so slowly. But this is going to be my last trade. See if it goes in my favor or not here. I took a very small position. It was like bonus.
Are you short AMD?
Yeah, I'm short.
Where you at? The VWAP? About?
I'm below the VWAP.
Below the VWAP, right?
Because it rejected off the VWAP, so I thought it might head lower too. But I think I got in too late. It's just hard to. It's hard for me to go in right at VWAP, and ideally that's where you would do it, right? Because if you get that, you'll more than likely get a pullback from the VWAP before it heads higher. So you at least give yourself a little breathing room. I didn't give myself the breathing room. But if I get in right at VWAP and it just headed higher, it's always hindsight's always 2020.
Exactly. I'm a very good hindsight trader.
Very good at market replay trades. So I'm about to get out of this because it looks like it's wanting to go to 338. Yeah. I'm going to give it one more second here. I try to keep my eye on the 5 minute, but at the same time, I don't want that 5 minute candle to get big because that means I lose a lot of money. But it's easy to make knee-jerk decisions when you're looking at the 1 minute.
Yeah, so much noise.
Yeah, so I try to stay calm and then look at the 5 minute. What is it doing? What's the overall? And then I'll even look at the 15 minute. And if I look at the 15 minute, it's still rejecting off the 15 minute, the VWAP on the 15 minute.
Alright, I did take a short also.
AMD?
But got a wide stop, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Stops above the VWAP. 338.22.
Oh, that's good.
I'm gonna call it 18.
I think if we can just get back to that 335, I'll feel comfortable. Ugh. It's going to go after 338. Come on, baby. I'm going to try to wait, as long as it doesn't spike up, I'm going to try to wait for this 5 minute candle to close. But I have a feeling it's going to close green. I hope I'm wrong.
It's trying to go red.
I think it definitely wants to go to the 338. feel like the volume's just dying.
Is there something coming up at 10:30?
I don't think so.
There's a lot going on this week.
Yeah, not today though, I don't think. I think tomorrow,
Yeah.
Wednesday, FOMC, I think. Rate decision.
Yeah, it's Wednesday.
Oh, you bastard. I'm just putting my stop right here. Because if this 5-minute candle closes green, which it did, and now it's probably going to head higher. Drop. I just don't think there's enough volume to make it drop lower.
Yeah, it seems very dead, very flat right now.
I'm getting out.
It's raining since 10 o'clock. I mean, everything is, I guess. Well, no, keep going.
I'm getting out. I don't have the patience, and the order is just... But if you have the patience, I mean, it's still not a bad... But I think it might get to that 338 again before heading lower. It's always a good sign to stay in too, because as soon as I covered, you know, it's going to go lower.
Did you just get out?
Yeah, I got out.
Nice.
I got out right before that last candle.
Very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I mean, it's pretend money for me anyway. So,
Oh, that's awesome.
Can equal real money.
Yeah, true. I think it's setting up nicely now, but, you know, I don't know. Could just be, you know, flat for a while. Up and down in a little range here for a while. Just got to have the patience.
Which I didn't. Oh, no, I'm not seeing it.
I mean, looking at the 5-minute, I do like the continuation lower, you know. Even on the
Yeah,
15,
I mean, it seems like it's trying to push lower.
even on the 15-minute, 5-minute, it all looks good for being short. But the SPY and Qs have found a balance, kind of a bottom looks like. SPY's heading higher. I always try to keep that. So that's another my variables. I look at the SPYs, the Qs, the level 2s, and see if it confirms my bias for the trade that I want to take. I try to incorporate all those variables, you know, just to increase my odds.
Right. Yeah, that's the one thing I haven't is level 2. I'm not trying to avoid it necessarily. I'm just trying to not overwhelm myself
Right.
with more things right now. It's next on my list, I guess. And I'll look at not Bookmap, but whatever they had, Atlas.
Market
I
Atlas.
mess around with that, but again, it's not the best.
Yeah, but at least it does show you the orders and things. But I don't know if you already have a subscription to what they have, but to pay just for that, I don't know.
No, the only reason I have it is because of the account.
The funded account gives you access?
Yeah. Well, you've got to pay for the trading terminal, so it's part of the cost of it, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
But once I'm done with this thing, I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm not going to pay for trading terminal or anything like that. I don't think it's worth it necessarily.
Yeah. Well, if you're still in this short, I think it's good. You're good, man. Big order 333. It's probably going to grab. You just got to be patient because orders are coming in and it's, 10:30. But anyway, it's looking good, man.
Well, fingers crossed.
I'm mad I got out. I lost my patience, but I was over trading and I didn't want to lose my daily profit target. So that influenced me, exiting the trade early. Another reason to not overtrade.
Right. Probably the right decision, though. I mean,
just call it a day.
So yeah, just keep your money, take your money and run.
Yeah, exactly.
That is going to be my my mantra the next, I don't know, a couple of weeks. If I get a winning trade off the bell, I'm going to be done at 9:45.
Yeah, I love those. I love those days. Yeah, exactly. I can work on my project, which I'm gonna do now, man. Let me know how this trade works out for you, though. I'd like to know.
Sounds good. Yeah, I'll let you know.
How long you hold it? I would say hold it to at least 330, man. I think it's going down there. 330, 329, 325. Huh?
So that'll be my target. Maybe take a partial or something.
Yeah.
Make my stop. I don't know. Alright, 330 it is. That's what I'm looking for.
All right, my man. I'll chat with you tomorrow then.
Alright, thanks, man. Sounds good.
All right, thanks, Nick. Take care.